Search for regedit in desktop search bar. Right click on registry editor and select run as administrator. Once the registry editor is open, paste the following path into address bar and press enter. Copy it from description. Right click in the right panel, select new and then choose dword 32-bit value. Name the new value Bing search enabled. Double click on Bing search enabled. And in the value data field, change the value data to 0. Click on OK to save the changes. Restart your PC to apply the changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.